we have a dual cab ute with a high drive full canopy. Now, full canopies are the ultimate when it comes to maximum secure space for your tools and stock. That's a main reason why people choose full canopies. But of course, also, you've got maximum amount of branding space, as you can see here, that Wildlife Victoria has taken advantage of. Moving inside your full canopy service body, you can see that they've got massive big gull wing doors, which are great for shade and shelter. Now, with the design of the high drive system, you can actually see that we've got a gutter. The rain will come off the roof, down into the gutter and away, keeping your rain out of your secure environment. Just moving these benches down, you can see here that this customer has taken great advantage of the space. They've got a fridge. They've got high drive drawer. They've also got a series of 6 parts bins, which are super handy to maximise your workplace productivity with all your little bits and bobs for the job. You've also got here some 3 tiers of drawers with adjustable parts bins. So you can see here that they're ready. They can open the doors and at a moment's notice be ready to work out of it. Of course, again, with the shade, put a laptop here, tap away, using the shade and shelter of the gull wing doors, which are standard on all full canopy high drive service bodies. A lot of people have traditionally gone for other types of service bodies and not full canopy because they think, oh, I've got some massive items and I won't be able to fit stuff in, I need a bit of tray space. But as you can see with this particular build, full canopies can have an absolutely massive amount of space in them. Now, this is a dual cab ute. So this is our smallest type of full canopy service body. And you can still see here, there's massive, almost 1.5 meters of length there, really a lot of space. Now they've used a roof shelf here to maximize the big open space while still having some handy storage space up top here to throw jackets or signs, you know, PPE, that sort of gear up here on the roof shelf. But you can see there, there's a massive amount of space that is available via the side doors and indeed for loading via the rear doors. Trades racks are a great option for big items, or occasionally towing a trailer is another great option for moving those big items. But for where it's at for most trades across Australia, a full canopy is such a massive improvement for your productivity because you've got everything secure, you can take more spares, you can take more tools to your job sites. You're much better off, all things considered, over the 5 years or more that you'd have this service body, much better off with a full canopy, everything's secure, less hassle, day after day. And if you've got big items that can't go on a roof rack, we'll tow them or have them delivered to a job. So there we have it. There's a high drive full canopy and a couple of reasons for them. Feel free to book an appointment with a high drive mobile workspace specialist, and we'd be happy to understand your trade and help you design a service body fully fitted out for your trade.